Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me in today's video. So as you guys can tell by the title, this is a get ready with me. I was getting ready to go out and I thought, let me just film something, and this actually turned out really bomb, so I'm really happy that I filmed it. First, I'm going in with my Kiki Beauty Makeup Ready Face Primer as always, and I already did my brows off of camera because it just took me way too long. I'm going to be taking my Color Correct Skin Seal and Blur palette and just color correcting just a little bit, and then taking my NYX Total Control Drop Foundation in the shade Golden Honey, and I'm going to be blending that all over my face. I did build this up to a more full coverage. And then going in with my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige, and I'm just highlighting under my eyes, down the center of my face, bridge of my nose, tip of my nose, cupid's bow, and chin. And then blending that all out with my trusty Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge. And then to set all my highlighted areas, I'm going to be using my Yardley Absolute Translucent Powder. And just baking mainly under my eyes, and I'm also just going to bake the rest of my face because I figured why not. And I find that this foundation tends to settle into my fine lines, so that is why I decided to bake. And then going in with my Jaclyn Hill palette, I'm going to be taking the shade Pooter, I believe. Yeah, the shade Pooter, and just dusting that into my crease, and then going in with the shade Hunts, and I'm using this as my second transition and just deepening up the outer corner of my eye. Then taking the shade Jax and just intensifying the eye even further. I like to build up the colors so that there is a gradual gradient of colors, if that makes sense. And then taking the shade Chip and just packing that on the outer corner of the eye, giving it a bit more of a smokier vibe. I was going out in the evening. I was going to say afternoon. I was going out in the evening, so I figured a darker vibe would have been better. And then taking my LA Girl Pro Conceal again, and I'm going to use this to cut my crease. And just taking my time with this and making sure that it is a nice precise line. Then going in with the shade Little Lady and packing that on the first third of my eye. And then taking the shade Meeks, which is this beautiful bronzy color, and I'm going to be packing that right on the center of my eye, making sure it blends in with Little Lady and that chip shade on the outer corner of the eye. Then to highlight my brow bone, I'm going to be taking Beam. And then to highlight my inner tear ducts, I'm taking in Light, which is a bit more of a brighter, lighter version of Beam. For mascara, I'm taking my Benefit They're Real mascara. This mascara is actually really decent, you guys. Like, I'm shook. Next, going in with my Physicians Formula Bronze Booster, and I'm just going to be bronzing up my cheeks, my forehead, my jawline, my nose. You guys know the usual areas of the face, adding some dimension because most of the dimension was blurred out with the foundation. And then taking my LA Girl Pro Powder in the shade Cocoa, and I'm just going to be contouring my cheeks using my Switch Beauty G31 contour brush. And then I'm going to be going in with this 27 Pinks powder highlight. There isn't any name on the actual packaging, but this highlight is so blinding, you guys. I tried to look for it on their website. I think they might have discontinued it. I am so sorry, but I'm using another highlight on top of this, so hopefully that helps. I'm sorry, guys. Next, I'm taking the Kiki Beauty Cool Citrus setting spray and just spraying that all over my face, literally taking a mini bath in it. And yeah, I also drew a faux beauty spot on my cheek because I had a pimple. Next, taking my Holy Grail lip liner. This is the MAC Plum lip liner, and I'm just going to be lining my lips and also slightly ombreing my lips, you know, as usual. Then taking this Huda Beauty lip contour set and taking the shade Muse, and I'm going to be putting that all over my lips. This is such a beautiful shade. Oh my god, it's like the most beautiful pinky nude of life. And I am just making sure that is nicely blended into my lip liner. For highlight, this is the second highlight. I'm going to be taking the shade Citrine from Jouer, and oh my god, can we talk about how this highlight is just slaying right now? It is ridiculous. It is so blinding on top of that 27 Pinks highlight. Then for lashes, I'm going to be using the style Leo by Tazzy B Lashes. These are beautiful, so fluffy, they are so lightweight, and they are my favorite dramatic lashes of the moment right now. And that is pretty much it for this look, you guys. I really hope you guys have enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video. But also, don't forget to slay all day, every day, with and without makeup. Bye! What's the time?
It's time to give your life to Jesus.
Oh my god. It's time to give my life to Jesus. 6:15. Good lord.
That's what Joe says all the time. Huh.
I must give my life to Jesus.
That's what he says.
Don't know
That's it. 2:52.